Students, you might have seen a hanging bell in a temple or church. When a person rings the bell, you can hear the sound of the bell. The sound travels through air to reach you. Sound travels in all directions, as shown here in the figure. Sound requires a material medium to travel. Thus, sound waves can travel through solids, liquids, and even gases. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Now let us look at some simple activities. Students, suspend an electric bell inside a glass bell jar. Now connect a vacuum pump at the base of the jar, which has a hole at the middle. Grease the edge of the jar in order to prevent any leakage of air. Now complete the electric bell circuit, connecting cells and a switch. What do you observe? The sound is heard clearly, isn't it? Now remove the air from the bell jar gradually by means of the vacuum pump. As the air inside the bell jar is slowly evacuated, the sound becomes weaker and weaker, and finally no sound is heard when all the air has been drawn out. We can still see the hammer of the bell vibrating as before. What do you learn from this activity? This proves that sound cannot travel in vacuum.